Hey, I'm Susie, and I got Selfie Cash yesterday. I did a YouTube video. I put my affiliate link in the messages below or in the comments, and I got a bunch of sales. So I'm pretty excited. I wanted to be able to share this with you. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do now, but I got to go back and watch the videos. Because I usually just watch a few videos and I do what it says, and then now I gotta go to do the next thing. So somehow I want to show you guys what I did, the sales I did, and I'm just trying to get this done before I go to bed tonight. So that's it. I did Selfie Cash. I watched some of the videos. It just said do a video. I just did a video with no makeup on. I just walked around my yard and posted it. And I think I had like 68 views when I looked at it last time. But I got sales. And I'm on a leaderboard. Yay! I'm like 9th position. So I just want to let you guys know, check it out. I'll put my affiliate link down below. And if this is going to go on YouTube or Facebook, wherever it is. And for my bonus, if you guys buy it through my link, you'll get a link that'll take you to my Beyond the Buy Builders Club, which is every Sunday, and then we'll build it with you. We'll talk and we'll teach you how to do all the stuff that comes with the Selfie Cash. So it's exciting. Just the coupon code to get in for free is Free Pass. So the link to get into the group will be in the bonus inside of Warrior Plus, but the password, remember this down, write this down. It's Free Pass. It's the coupon code. Because other than that, if you go to Beyond the Buy Builders and you try to get into the group, it's $49. So I want you to be able to get in it for free. All right, that's if you use my affiliate link, that's the bonus. And it's worth about $2,500 because we meet once a week and sometimes we're on there for hours because we're just going to make sure everybody that comes on to that particular Beyond the Buy Builder group that you actually do it. You're building live with us. So it's super fun. I'm excited. Hopefully you can come and hang out with us. A lot of really cool international people, tons of talent, and everybody really, truly, deeply cares about your success. So we look forward to seeing you there. Make sure your mic works. It's open mic night, and we talk and go, hey, this, that, and the other. Share my screen, and then we walk you through everything. Super fun. See you soon. Selfie Cash. Actually, it's, the affiliate link, my affiliate link for that. So because not everybody has access to that Beyond the Buy Builder group. Okay, see you soon. Bye.